Hiring finance talent overseas can feel like a gamble. You need skilled professionals who understand accounting principles, use industry standard software, and communicate effectively in a remote setting. But most businesses struggle to find the right talent without spending hours on vetting, training, and onboarding. Today, we're breaking down a proven step-by-step framework to help you source, interview, and onboard top finance talent from overseas, saving your business money without sacrificing quality. Welcome back to ClearSource, where we help business owners and finance leaders scale their remote teams with smart strategies and the right tools. I'm Stephanie, and today we're diving deep into the best way to hire finance professionals overseas so you can build a high-performing, cost-effective team without second-guessing your hiring decisions. Hiring finance professionals from the Philippines, India, or South Africa gives you access to highly skilled talent at competitive rates. Many small and medium-sized businesses reduce labor costs by 50 to 70% while maintaining or even improving efficiency. You get access to experienced professionals, lower overhead costs, and get flexibility with time zones. Not every finance role should be outsourced, but these are the top roles that work well remotely. First, bookkeepers. They manage daily transactions, reconcile accounts, and handle month-end closings. Accounts payable or receivable specialists. They ensure invoices are processed, payments are tracked, and cash flow remains stable. Transaction managers handle financial transactions, data entry, and reconciliations. Fractional CFOs offer high-level financial strategy at a fraction of the cost of a full-time CFO. Tax accountants assist in tax preparation and compliance under the supervision of a US-based accountant. When looking for finance talent, you could take a do-it-yourself approach or use a trusted recruitment service. Here's how to decide. DIY hiring. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and OnlineJobs.ph offer a large talent pool. You can filter candidates by looking for verified profiles with relevant certifications, check reviews and work samples. You can even test proficiency in QuickBooks, Xero, or NetSuite. Done for you hiring, our solution, ClearSource Small Teams. We handle the screening, interviewing, and hiring process for you. Get matched with pre-vetted finance professionals. Learn more in our How We Find Our VAs video. Find top finance talent today. Watch our videos or let ClearSource Small Teams handle the search, vetting, and onboarding for you. Download our free finance hiring checklist, link in the description. Your job description filters out unqualified candidates and attracts top talent. Follow this structure. Key elements of a great job post. Title. Be specific about the role. For example, virtual bookkeeper with QuickBooks experience. Responsibilities. Clearly list the daily, weekly, and monthly task. Skills and certifications. Include requirements like CPA certification, Xero experience, or strong Excel skills. Expectations. Outline work hours, reporting structure, and growth potential. Here's an example of a job post. Seeking a detail-oriented virtual bookkeeper with experience in QuickBooks and remote work. Must be fluent in English and capable of independent problem solving. Need help? Watch our How to Write a Job Description video for a step-by-step walkthrough. Once you've shortlisted candidates, it's time to conduct structured interviews. So you might be wondering, what's okay to ask? First off, you can ask about work experience and education related to finance. In addition, you could ask about technical skills. For example, how would you reconcile discrepancies in a financial report? You also want to ask about availability for your time zone and workload expectations. Questions that you should avoid because of cultural sensitivity include personal questions about family, health, or religion. These may be inappropriate in some cultures. Pro tip. Use the STAR method to assess problem-solving skills. Situation. What was the challenge? Task. What was their responsibility? Action. What did they do? Result. What was the outcome? Let's talk about developing a training program. 7 steps to onboarding success. Step 1. Role overview. Introduce responsibilities and expectations. 2. Software training. Provide practice access to QuickBooks, Xero, or NetSuite. 3. Standard operating procedures or SOPs. Document company processes. 4. Communication protocols. Define reporting structure and escalation procedures. 5. Performance metrics. Set clear KPIs such as accuracy, deadlines, and reports completed. 6. Shadowing. Allow new hires to observe work processes. 7. Ongoing support. Provide mentorship and additional resources. Need help? Watch how to create a training program for a complete step-by-step guide. Onboarding your new VA. Now it's time to onboard your new VA. Here are the first steps that you should take after hiring. First, set up payroll and invoicing procedures. Conduct a 30-day check-in to assess performance. Offer ongoing training and feedback. Ready to streamline your hiring process? Watch our next videos for payroll tips, cultural integration, and best practices.